Because if I can do it, and it's always a good assumption to make in the market, if you figure out a riskless profit strategy, a riskless trading strategy, don't assume that you're the only one who figured it out. More than likely, a lot more people are going to figure that out. If a lot of players with enough finances execute this strategy, the supply of forward loans will increase. Because on the forward end, I'm lending money, right? If a lot of people are lending money in the forward market, there's too much money, not enough people borrowing. That means the rates have to come down, right? That implies the forward rates have to come down. And demand for 2-year loans will increase, and supply of 1-year loans will increase. Hence, 2-year rates must go up, and 1-year rates must go down until there is no more riskless profit opportunity, which we call arbitrage. I'm going to leave as an exercise to you guys to figure out how would you make money if the forward rate was 3.5%. In fact, that's going to be part of your homework assignment, but it's entirely similar. You just think about the other way around. Okay. Generally, the way you would calculate the arbitrage-free forward rate is, let's think about these things. First, I borrow the present value of the notional amount on the short end, right? First, I'm going to describe it verbally. So we are thinking about forward rate F T plus M, okay? Borrow present value of the notional, let's call it $10,000, at the short term rate, short leg rate, I should call it. Short term means something else. And invested for T periods. and pay back the future value of future value of the loan at the long leg. First, so borrow PV short, okay, and multiply that with so let's think about $1. It's a lot easier. So first figure out what's the present value of $1 if you borrowed for T periods at the T year rate or T period rate, but you're going to pay back that amount times future value of $1 at the long rate, or future value of $1 for T plus M periods at the T plus M rates. This is equal to, this should equal to future value of future value forward, let's say. That's kind of the approach. Now let's limit ourselves to 1 year, 2 year kind of stuff. So PV short is gonna be 1 over 1 plus rate T raised to the power T, okay? FV long is gonna be 1 plus rate T plus M, the whole thing raised to the power T plus M. And FV forward is 1 plus rate, actually this is F2 T plus M raised to the power M, okay? So we need to solve this for we could actually get a formula for this. I'm gonna write it the formula, but we're gonna implement this in Excel in a much easier way. Formula would be 1 plus F T plus M raised to the power M is gonna equal FV long divided by PV short. If I raise everything by to the power of 1 mth, so 1 plus f t plus m is going to equal raising this to the power 1 mth is going to be, let's see, come back to me. And if I deduct 1 from both sides, I'm home. Okay. That's an ugly formula. I'm not going to ask you to memorize it, but hey, if you want to, you're more than welcome. So let's kind of set it up. Rate, length, short, long, forward. Let's use our example of 1 year, 2 years. Short was 4.686%. Long was 4.201%. Let's make all of these short was 1 year, long was 2. Obviously, the length of the forward is long minus that. Then I'm gonna write this as a formula. Let's make these all green.